You don't know it's your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! How are the them? You don't know it's your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building.
And Punky Skylife in the building.
And King Skylife.
Yo! I would say
Skylife.
how are the them?
Upgrade your cooking skills. Yes. You can't cook for mama till she come back. Yeah, what I think like about party.
Hey, money there.
Guys, good morning.
You don't know it's your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! How are the them?
Mama, you tired?
What you mean? You're not tired?
Guys,
You know young, me old.
on our way to the gym. It's around 10:30 July. Mama, today which day?
Yeah, 21st. It's only 21, yeah, 20.
Second. July 22nd, 10:30.
21, 22.
And I'm on my way to the gym. Outfit. Got my gym bag. Comment below if I need to do what's in my gym bag. What if I something in my bag? Like, I think I always a overpack. What if I stuff? Book for read, all kind of thing. I think mom will play some mom.
Oh, Cherry, gonna be.
Yeah, so I'm away in town today. I have some stops before the gym. And then may I go do some studying.
Walk, man.
Where you want to walk?
I don't know where you walk.
Road.
Oh, help me.
Do some studying. And I'm liking the short here. I'm cut it off like 3 weeks now. I'm like it. Fresh.
You ain't no more, man.
New. So guys, so I have exams next week. But I'm still vlogging. Still want to produce this content for you guys. But I'm kind of focused on school. Getting the exams out of the way. And getting that break. I really need it. Okay, Joe. Before I must drop out of my hand. Normally I always have a thought of the day for you guys. And I said this thought of the day before. And I can confidently say it again. You become what you think about. Another thing that I want to add to that. Money. Everybody want money. Everybody want to be rich. And you know money change people? Money brings out whatever you were worse. So if you're a kind person and you're poor and then you get rich, you're gonna be kind. You're gonna be a giver. But if you are a person that loves to boast and then you get money, that's what you're gonna do more. You understand? So be mindful of that.
See her here. You walk and you talk on phone like I don't know.
It's the vlog, mama. It's the vlog. So be mindful of that. Hey, mama, money change people, don't?
Of course.
Cause me I say to your vlog, say money, like if money bring out who you really were. So if
I'm always saying,
so money change you. Humble. No, mom.
yes. Anyway, you come from, try remember.
Yes.
I make money, make it for media.
Like seriously? She was so shocked, vlog world.
Hi, Kevin.
Hi guys.
Not bad, you alright?
How you doing?
Okay.
The sun though, not seeing good. We are currently departing the island. Yeah, choke me from there. We're leaving work now. Just checking in with me. Not see me. I can't see myself. Just can't
You're
see.
seeing me, of course.
I can't see. Hold on, give me a minute. Okay, how you doing? How you doing? That dimple though. Can you see? Anyways, guys, we're leaving work now. I'm just checking in with you guys to say hello. How you doing? Wendy Williams, how you doing?
How you doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
This smile though. You think Wendy Williams a man or a woman?
Hashtag Wendy Williams.
I like her though. Her personality is so up. But I don't know if she's a man or a woman. But I like her. Yo! You don't know it's your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building.
And Punky Skylife in the building.
And King Skylife.
Yo! I would say
Skylife.
I want the them. Them. So today is Sunday,
I
guys.
like camera look.
Today is Sunday.
Bring in them, let me see.
I'm out, vlog world.
Oh, you feel out there, you know. Are you sick on that?
No.
Come. Come, reverse then. There's something flag, Steph.
Look at the nice vegetation over there, sir. Over the green and everything.
Show them a view.
That view though.
That view though.
Take this as one picture.
Guys, I'm just checking in with you guys. Thank you for stopping by SkyLife TV. You don't know, leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, show the love. I mean, I did not yet. I'm not gonna be vlogging after this. Maybe you're gonna see a clip from another day. But I just came from church and I just want to say hi to you guys because I haven't come on here for a long time now. And you know, I'm still here keeping it jiggy. Damn. I'm out. So guys, I just decided to log back on, even though I said I wasn't gonna vlog. I'm on the road now, trying to get a cab. I'm gonna go out with my friends today. We're just gonna have not dinner but drinks and chill a bit. Today's Sunday and we're out of school now, so that's so litty. Excited about that. I should be taking a mini vacation now. Evelyn, I should be taking a mini vacation now, but I'm just gonna be home for 3 weeks from school, so I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm definitely gonna be taking a mini vacation. I need it. Like, I've worked so hard over this semester and I gotta reward myself. One thing we notice people do, them work very hard and they don't reward themselves. Anytime you work hard and like you do something, you accomplish a goal you say you want to accomplish, and if you reward yourself, when you don't reward yourself is when you don't accomplish what you set out to accomplish, you understand? So I always try to treat myself very good when I do stuff that I say I want to accomplish, because I didn't want to take summer class. Hi, good evening. I didn't really want to take summer classes, but I just pushed myself. It was very hard over this past couple of weeks. I don't know if I do it next year though, but I'm trying. I'm gonna go through it, and God is good all the time. It's an outfit, a dress, a Gucci bag, slipper from Payless, short hair, auntie. But really I guess you like the short hair. At first when I do it, we did have to like get to adjust to it. I'm gonna shave back down inside them because they grew up too high. Shave back down inside them very low. I have to go make an appointment for do that tomorrow, because my hairdresser, when I make an appointment all 2-3 weeks you have to wait. And I like different people going on my hair. I'm kind of funny like that. But guys, I'm gonna log off now. I'm gonna focus on trying to get a cab. I don't think I'm gonna be vlogging with my friends. I just wanna be with my friends and chill a bit. So bye.